guys, it's me Tammy T and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so we had the football game and we're losing. Hey! This is Jeannie. Hi. This is Kai. Yes, sir.
I got my hair cut just for this.
Okay, so we're at the football game and I just met these two lovely people.
Hey.
I'm Rachel.
I'm James.
Hi.
Hello, I'm Melody and I'm Tamsin's favourite.
I'm Ola and I'm actually Tamsin's favourite.
You're all my favourite.
Amazing.
Also, I'm just giving you an update on the score. It's 1-0 and I'm being completely honest with you.
Yeah.
GSA gonna win.
Yeah, so yeah, we're
I don't know what's going on. Oh, right, bad one. Tamsin, bleep that out. I just sweared. I'm so sorry.
Hi.
Vlog, fight for the vlog.
Shall we fight?
She's gonna get dumped in violence.
How do you guys feel about this football game?
I feel like I really want Burton, but they're just not gonna win.
I'm here for the vibes only. I'm just here for a good time.
I'm here with the vibes, the fun, the crack.
How do you feel about this game?
I hope GSA wins because Bird College. Oh no, because I'm feeling really hopeful for Bird College because it's one of the best colleges in the world.
Zoom in on it.
They're gonna lose. That's fair. We're here for the vibes.
How do you feel?
Honestly, I'm really gutted that we're losing at the moment, but I think, you know, our boys will pick it up.
Vlog.
Hi, Tamsin.
Live, I'm Daisy. I don't know what I said.
It's half time now.
Yeah, it is.
GSA are winning.
Yeah.
Need to step up the game.
We're back.
We don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
GSA are winning apparently.
Hopefully we win after the break.
Hopefully.
Exactly. It's all to play for.
All
It's
to play for. It's not over till the fat lady sings.
Yeah. What?
Hey guys!
Hi. How are you guys feeling about the football?
Yeah, they're alright, I guess.
Yeah.
They didn't win, they scored a goal.
We got a second score! Wow! Oh my god!
Somebody scored and then we look.
We're winning! Guys, look at that storm coming. Oh my gosh, it's just... We won! Well done, Ethan! How did you enjoy the game?
Oh, loved it. I loved every second.
You were so good. You were so amazing.
We were so amazing.
Yeah. These are the football players of the team.
I heard people around Red Bulls. That's what I heard. I'm here with the gaffer.
Well done, guys.
Thank you, Tamsin.
Yeah.
Have a lovely day, guys. We're going to the Star. Join us there.
Bye, vlog. Bye. See you later.
Guys, you want to try it? What? The game?
Say bye.
Bye, Tom's vlog.
Bye.
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 Oh my god, is that yours? I've always wanted one.
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Listen. Big up YouTube. For the YouTube, man, we'll do the mad thing.
Get on the tube, guys.
Yeah, I told him actually, bow, listen. I've got little bangers out right now. Go stream the Strangers EP, that's out right now.
Okay.
Go stream everything else, T Valentine, you know how we do. I might put in cruise control for you.
Okay.
Like that, tap in the cruise control and just...
Whoa!
No, we'll do a U-turn and come back.
Yeah, but she asked for it. She asked.
Yeah. You know who's going to break? You can't ride that
That is so cool! Hey guys, I'm back home now and oh my gosh, it was so funny. I was literally the only person on my train. It was literally like a ghost train. Now I'm gonna go downstairs to make some dinner. Oh my god, you guys. I forgot that I got some stuff for the freezer and now it's defrosted. Just kidding, it hasn't defrosted. Look at my hair, oh my gosh, it rained. So I just cooked my dinner, and so I got some chips, a chicken pie, I got some gravy, and I also cooked some vegetables. I literally haven't had them in so long, they were so easy. And yeah, so now I'm gonna eat it. Okay guys, so now I have this cheesecake. Okay, so we're gonna try it. Well, I've already tried it before. I know this cheesecake is just amazing, but we're gonna try again. So good. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.